Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about last-minute suggestion for reading module. If you have walked into the little space for this first time, please make sure to subscribe and give a thumbs up, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. Quick introduction to the reading module. The reading module is a 60 minutes evaluation. Out of the 4 above-mentioned test module, besides writing, this reading module is the only one that varies in both of the exam types, academic test and general training. Reading is the second part of the test and takes 60 minutes. It consists of 3 or sometimes 4 reading passages of increasing difficulty, and there is a total of 40 questions to answer. The academic and general training reading tests are graded to the same level. However, because the texts in the academic reading test are more challenging overall than those in the general training test, more questions need to be answered correctly on a general training test to receive the same grade. Academic test includes 3 long texts, which range from the descriptive and factual to the discursive and analytical. These are taken from journals, magazines, newspapers and books. They have been selected for a non-specialist audience, but are appropriate for people entering university courses or seeking professional registration. A variety of question types are used, chosen from the following: multiple choice, identifying information, identifying the writer's views or claims, matching information, matching headings, matching features, matching sentence endings, sentence completion, summary completion, note completion, table completion, flowchart completion, diagram label completion, and short answer questions. Test takers are required to transfer their answers to an answer sheet during the time allowed for the test. No extra time is allowed for transfer. Care should be taken when writing answers on the answer sheet, as poor spelling and grammar are penalized. Each question is worth 1 mark. Last-minute suggestion for reading module. The very first suggestion is to read the instructions very carefully. In fact, you can underline the instruction regarding how many words you are required to use in the answers. Before making your further move, first, give a quick glance at all the 3 sections. As we know, that reading module starts getting more difficult with every next section. Time management is another key. You must complete 3 sections in 1 hour. That means, don't spend more than 20 minutes in any section. Don't waste time reading each word of the paragraph. Write the topic of each paragraph in the margin and underline the key words regarding the same topic. In questions like matching paragraph heading, summarize it and read the questions and underline keywords before you read the whole text. In gap fillings and sentence completion task types, you are required to copy the correct text and spellings. How to improve reading module score. Read carefully. The first thing that you should keep in your mind is to read each and every stated instruction very carefully. This is one of the reasons that many candidates lost the chance to score well. They used to give very specific instructions. If you don't follow these instructions exactly, you will often get the question wrong. Be calm. There might be an arrival of a situation where you are unaware of some words. At that time, don't panic, but stay calm. In the first place, don't expect to understand every word. Sorry, but you can't, as you are not a dictionary or Google who knows each and nearly everything. Get familiar with the reading module. In the very first place, you should be familiar with the whole test, but here we can say a little more, and deep knowledge about the test module will work in your favor in every way. Strong vocabulary. Though it's in reading module, it is more likely of a vocabulary test than the reading test. They generally use synonyms and paraphrase sentences to know how wide your vocabulary is. So, read and review. Try to build a strong vocabulary with the continuous read and review them on regular basis. Time management. This is the foremost tip in each test module. Try to give each and every question an equal and a reasonable time. For instance, if you will more time for some questions, then it will leave you with less time for other questions, which may also be responsible to create panic situations. Best of luck for your exam. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.